Moondrop today just announced the new color variant for their famous Kato single dynamic driver earphone that should be interesting to many people. If you do not know the Kato, it came out last year and it became how would I put it, a dark horse popular IEM because it didn't have crazy hype, but it took its time to build a very strong reputation in a lot of people that like neutrally tuned earphone. It wasn't really designed for bass head or people that liked excessive treble. I would say just a neutral tuned earphone. That if you like that, because I always said that most of these recent earphones have that same tuning. They don't really have impact in their low end these days. So that's one of the reasons why this Kato was very popular. The new color is going to be an all new dark blue color. It's still going to be the same $190. So there is no like difference in price per se. Like there is no obvious difference in price when you get this, and tuning is still the same. If you are buying it for the very first time, the tuning is still the same. There isn't much of a difference that you can expect. It's just a new color. Companies do end up releasing different color of their earphones when they see it becoming extremely popular and they're extremely successful in sales. So there isn't nothing new to this. Really nothing new to this. I'm expecting it to continue the sales that it's already on. Basically, the shells are almost the same. They're pretty much the same with the regular Kato. So I can't say that there is any difference or any visible difference here. So I don't know. I really don't know if there is anything you can start looking to expect with this earphone that might sway you to get it. I'm not always a big fan of companies after a year or so to bring out just a new color of for a popular product and just put it on the market for the sake of putting it on the market. Um, I need you to bring out a product that gives me a use case for the money you want to charge me. But really releasing the same product from a year ago with just a new color variant is, I would say, is a bit silly because um it's not something that has that necessity for anybody to purchase again. If I already have the original Kato in the color it's coming with, why do I need to pay another money to buy a blue variant? But if you're a new client, you've never gotten the Kato before, you want to get into it, you want to see how it sounds, you now have a new variant. That's all. It's really just the fact that you have a new variant. That is it. Look, I'll drop all the links and everything you need for this new product in the description. If you want to check it out, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.